So greetings of the day students. Today we will learn Gray-Batch normal form. So first of all its definition. A context-free grammar is in Gray-Batch normal form if every production is of the form of capital A goes to small a alpha, where alpha belongs to Vn star and A belongs to sigma, that is terminal. So from this required form, if I write the examples, then these are the valid examples, that is capital A goes to small a capital B. It is a valid example, that is on right hand side the first symbol should be a terminal, only one terminal, then followed by any number of variables. This is a valid example. Then S goes to small b capital A capital C, one terminal followed by two variables. Then capital D goes to small c D F G, again terminal followed by any number of variables. Now here alpha can be null also. If your alpha is null, then you are left with capital A goes to small a, that is there will be no variables which will be following this terminal. So these are the valid examples. So if you can take invalid examples, so these are the invalid examples. What is wrong with this example? Here we have written two terminals on right hand side, so this is wrong. Again a terminal followed by variable, then again a terminal, this is again a wrong example. A goes to double A, multiple terminals, wrong. S goes to capital A capital B, again wrong, because here we need one terminal at least, again. E goes to EFA, again this is a wrong example. So next, procedure. How you can convert a simple context free grammar into a Gray-Batch normal form. So we have a basic 5 steps. So step 1 includes further 4 steps. In step 1 of part 1, you need to check for null production, that is you will have to find that if there is any null production, you will have to eliminate those null productions. Part second of step 1, check for unit production. If you have any production which is of the form of chain, you will have to eliminate that chain using the previous method which I have shared with you in previous videos. Part 3, you will have to check that your grammar is in CNF, that is A goes to small a and A goes to BC. So this is your required CNF, your given grammar which you need to convert in GNF. It is always in CNF. So part 4, rename the variables in the form of subscripted values like A1, A2 and so on. Now step 2. In step 2 you will have to apply lemma 1. I will let you know in the example what is lemma 1. Then step 3 says that apply lemma 2. Again in video I will let you know about lemma 2. Step 4, solve star mark production like A1 goes to A2, A3. Then final step says that solve Z productions. So after step number 5th, you will have to write all the productions which are converted into GNF.